everyone, good morning. Welcome to our life in the Philippines. What are you doing, Shell?
Well, today we're going to do some laundry, and I think later on I will get my hair cut. How you doing, John? Oh,
So that's our laundry, dirty laundry. Over there also.
actually, that is
That one is done.
it's going to go for the last rinse.
Okay.
So I've started earlier in the morning,
Yeah.
so we can get this done. So are you going to Halloween party today?
No, tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Okay, I thought you said today. No?
What is your costume, babe?
Superman.
No, Batman.
Batman.
That's your costume for tomorrow, Halloween.
Are you Batman?
Yes, you have a costume. I already see it.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yep, he's ready for the Halloween party tomorrow. Galingan mo para manalo ka.
Contest kami.
Fighting! Fighting!
Contest kami.
Contest kayo?
Tapos, hindi lalagpas sa line. Pag hindi lalagpas sa line, ako yung mananalo.
Ikaw mananalo? May dance contest kayo?
Ha?
You have dance contest. Tapos ano pa?
May pagkain, libre na.
There's a food over there also. Oh, that's good.
Right.
Our ulam for today is fried fish and crab.
Nan! Eat ka na, eat lang.
We're going to eat na our lunch. Lunch ba yun? Breakfast.
Diretso na, lunch.
Brunch na brunch. Tito, kakain ka, Tito? Tito Shell. Ayaw ni Tito Shell kumain. Busog siya.
Munggo Friday ngayon.
Friday, Mongolay. Masarap, be. Delicious.
Yes.
Yeah, bakla.
Pangit.
Baklushi ka.
Hindi, baklush ka pa din.
Backlash ka, backlash. Kasali ka sa backlash. Kay Paulo. Woo!
Pasali ka dun sa runway. Model ka din.
O, model ka. Ano ba yung rampa? Ano ba yung rampa ni Tito, ni Kuya Kano? Gayahin mo kasi yung rampa niya. Patayin yung rampa.
Ganyan kasi,
Walang sarang pa siya. Pero okay naman.
Oh, at least nakasikan siya. Kagaya ni Kainita, di ba nakasikan siya?
Sino siya?
Nung unang...
Ganun siya, tas ambassador siya eh. Patintawag
Hindi,
siya.
dalawang beses muna bago siya nanalo ng winner. Yung una, ewan ko ano yung second runner-up.
Ano po ilan niya?
Yung unang sali
Kung
niya.
nakapera sa 10,000.
So this is the way we hang clothes here. We have clotheslines in the carport. And with all the sun and air and the wind outside, it's normally dry in a few hours, if that. What's hot? Oh, the motorcycle
Yes.
exhaust is hot.
So that one is done.
Yeah, I need some more water. I need some more water. Can you hand me the hose?
Yep.
Turn it on, please. how washing is done here.
Are you hanging the ano na?
Yeah.
Clothes?
Time to hang some clothes. Let it dry.
Uh-oh.
Crap. Alright. Crack again? No.
Ano po?
Is it fun to do it?
Yeah. I don't have much else to do today, so I'm gonna do the laundry and then we'll go to Vilcon and see what we can do about the transportation of our fish on our motorcycle. Beef and chicken.
That one is dry.
Huh?
Is it dry?
No.
Still wet?
Still feels wet. It's like the spinner didn't work right.
It's because you put lots of clothes over there.
Well, maybe I put too much in. I don't know. We'll see.
That's yours.
Yeah.
You should bring that one when we go to Bataan. As prevent for heat.
Hey, this is our life in the Philippines. Hey, don't forget, hit the subscribe button. Hurry up. Hit it right now. Oh, or is it over on this side? No, it's here, I think. Go ahead, hit it. Thank you for watching.